it is, Reishi. Making breakfast? Oh, Daddy's gonna make breakfast too, all right? You wanna help? You wanna help? All right, let's go. Get your chair. Up. Let's go. Let's go. Up, up, up. Yeah, all right, you can do it. Cool. All right, this place is a wreck. What do you want, eggs? Oh, your apples you picked yesterday. All right, let me wash it. How's that apple? Ah! Let's flip your apple. Ooh. Ah! I need it for cooking. All right. Well, don't throw that. All right, I need this to flip the eggs. All right, let's go feed the chickens. Where's your shoes? It's wet out there. My shoes. Oh yeah, you gonna put Mommy's Uggs on? That's a good idea. Reishi, come here. Oh, Reishi's gonna go feed the chickens. Go check on the chickens. After you. Hey, you left your tractor over here. Morning, ladies. Pre-adolescent baby chicks. Keeping them in here for now. Oh, there's the scoop. Yeah, go ahead, play with it. Don't touch the fence, remember? Indy. Ouch, yeah, ouch. Yeah, exactly, very good. Got them in here. Doing some work, clearing out the tunnel, keeping them safe from hawks while they're young and vulnerable. I'll move them to this big house once they're a little older. Oh, he's gonna go pick these plums. Here to pick some fruit. These things taste terrible, but Indy likes them for some reason. Yeah, you want one? All right. Just bite it. Don't put it in your mouth. Go ahead. Mmm. You like that? All right, you want to just grab some for the road? I'll pick a couple, and then you can get back on your tractor. All right, let's go. Spit that one out. Can I have it? All right, let's go. I got some. This way. All right, on to a new project. Just got this sawmill in. Woodland Mills, 126. Carried it in with the tractor. That's about all she could handle. Kohler 14 horse. All right. Fuel on. Choke on. All right. Time to put a log on here and see what we can do. I'm gonna start with this baby log. Just had lying around. I don't know what I'm doing. If anyone has been following along, I was building my own sawmill out of just metal and an engine, wheels and stuff. I got pretty far along. I actually have a functioning carriage head, the saw head, as in blades ride on it and it tracks. And but as there's still a lot of mechanisms to build, and it's just so hard to find the amount of time I need to do a project like that at this point, especially one that's not very important. Uh-oh. Here comes Indy. Hey Indy, I'll be there in 1 second, okay buddy? It's just a practice piece I was doing. Oh, put that oil down, buddy. Hey, put the oil down. No gas can either, no gas can. Yeah. Look at that thing. What do you think? I know you love gas cans because Blippi told you all about them. That's the oil. Yeah, I'll just take that from you. Gas can's empty, but I just don't like them playing with them because I don't want them getting used to it. Hey, gas can down. Gas can down. Yeah, we don't play with gas. Dangerous. Gas is dangerous. Yeah, ouch. That sawmill, also quite dangerous. Put this in this foam to make napalm. Oh yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Get up there. Seat's wet, your butt's gonna get wet. He does this all the time in case you're worried. He has never fallen. He has, however, pooped all over the seat before. Here comes Mango. Here comes Mango out of the weeds. No gas can. Yep, go play with the dangerous sawmill. Hey, Mango. Mango. They're always hanging out over here. What's this? Mango. Best cat award. I don't know. What are you, 10 years running? No. How old are you? You're probably almost 10. You unleash. You don't look happy, buddy. You don't look happy either. Push it, Indy, push it. All right, now bring it back. Pull it back. Stuck? Beep, beep. Good job, buddy. Cutting this piece of cherry. Hit this massive piece of metal. I assume this blade is toast. But it's all right. I'm just gonna flip it, keep cutting it, keep using this blade, see what happens. It's all a learning experience. Hopefully this metal doesn't go much deeper. I don't know if I like flattened it out and I'm making it look big, or it feels like there's some wire. Maybe an old steel cable or something. Pretty sure that's a black widow. Find a lot of these around here.